you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make a really simple no-bake lemon cheesecake. I am a sucker for a no-bake cheesecake. I absolutely love them. They're so easy to make, and people think they are like amazing and delicious, and they don't even know how easy they are, which is why I love them. Let's get started on this lemon no-bake cheesecake. In our mixing bowl here, we have one 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Then you're going to add about 3/4 to a cup of sour cream. This no-bake cheesecake recipe is really delicious, and trust me, they're going to think you're like expert bakers when you bring this to a party. After that, we're adding in 1/4 of a cup of just regular old sugar and about a teaspoon of vanilla. Just 2 more simple ingredients to this mixture. I have a lemon jello pudding mix, not the jello mix, a pudding mix, and we're going to pour that into here. Then we're going to hit it with a little bit of lemon zest. And we're also actually going to do that as a garnish on top of our cheesecake when we serve it, but just a little bit into our cheesecake. After that, we're just going to give all this a good blend together until it is well mixed and all of our ingredients are combined. To keep this recipe super simple for you today, I'm using a store-bought graham cracker pie crust, but you could easily make one yourself by crunching up some graham crackers and mixing it with butter and then pressing it into a pie plate. But we are trying to keep this simple, and we're just going to dump our lemon mixture after it's blended into our graham cracker crust. I like to bake mine at 375 for 5 minutes just to make it a little extra crunchy because we're not baking it once the ingredients are in. So once you get your mixture in, you're just going to spread it out until it's even in your pie plate. After you get it spread in your pie crust, you're going to cover it with some tin foil and refrigerate it for at least 3 hours minimum, and then you're going to have a delicious no-bake cheesecake. It is a really tasty dessert. It has a lot of lemony flavor. Go ahead and add some zest on top or decorate however you want with whipped cream, and I promise you, you'll be really satisfied with the ending. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.